About this item: complete 0 gauge 2-channel amplifier installation kits. 17 feet, 5.5 meters, oxygen free copper 2-channel helical twisted construction RCA interconnect cable. 17 feet, 5.5 meters, premium frosted blue 0 gauge CCA power wire with ring terminal provides optimal power transfer. 3 feet, 0.95 meters, premium frosted black 0 gauge CCA ground wire with ring terminal. 17 feet, 5.5 meters, blue 18 gauge remote turn on lead wire. 25 feet, 8.0 meters, premium frosted blue/black 12 gauge CCA speaker wire. 1 recoil ANL/mini ANL fuse holder with 200 ANL fuse offers ideal protection for high-powered systems. 1 black rubber firewall grommet. 4 0 gauge nickel-plated ring terminals with blue/black boots. 1 18 gauge spade terminals with boots. 1 red 18 gauge butt connector. 10 6 black zip ties in the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item: complete 0 gauge 2-channel amplifier installation kits. 17 feet, 5.5 meters, oxygen free copper 2-channel helical twisted construction RCA.